Hey, have you ever wondered how banks make money? I mean, you give your money to bank and they are making billions? Let's break it down. It all starts with you, the customer. You deposit your money into a savings or current account, but the bank does not just keep your cash. They take your money and lend it out to the other people who need loans to buy homes, cars, or start businesses. Here's where the bank makes money. They charge interest on those loans. Let's say the bank pays you 1% interest on your savings, but they charge borrowers 6% interest on loans. That 5% differences, that is called the interest spread, and it is a big part of how banks earn profit. But wait, there is more. Banks also make money from fees like account fees, ATM fees, or draft fees, credit card fees. It might not seem like much, but when millions of customers pay these different fees, it's add up fast. And help to make them billions. Banks also invest. These investments generate more income for the bank. So how do banks make money? I will tell you in a simple way. They borrow money from you at a low interest, lend it out at a higher rates charge, a bunch of fees, and invest smartly. Pretty clever. Next time you walk into a bank, remember, it's not just holding your money. It's working with it. Want more interesting stuff? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.